CFA exam in August 2025 doesn't matter whether you're CFA level 1, CFA level 2 or CFA level 3. As long as you are giving your exam in August 2025, this video is a must watch for you and you have to watch it before your exam. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is for everybody who's giving their CFA exam in August 2025, whether you are CFA level 1, CFA level 2 or CFA level 3. This video is a must watch for you, something that I truly recommend that you watch till the very end. Okay, so let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to the subscribe button. If you ever like my work even a teeny tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel, and while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for joining me in my journey. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Okay, so people who are giving their CFA exam in August, I think by the time you see this video, the CFA exams would have already begun. The CFA level 3 exam had started today on August 15th. And जैसे वो खत्म होगा, level 1 चालू होगा, then level 2 will be the last exam that happens in the month. I know that a lot of you all are, fighting your own battles. You're worried, you're tense, you're anxious to say the least. Obviously, a little bit of excitement also for some of you, and it's normal. I just wanted to come here and take a moment to tell you all that I am so proud, not of the outcome, not of the result, but I am so proud of what you guys are doing. You also may not realize what a big deal it is to be giving an exam like CFA or any competitive exam for that matter. Okay, at this moment you may be like, बस ये खत्म हो जाए. But आप समझ नहीं पा रहे हो आप कर क्या रहे हो. You're doing something what majority of the world might be like, you know what, let it be. I don't have the mental bandwidth, I don't have the financial bandwidth, I don't want to do this. But you, against all odds, against the fear of what may happen or may not happen, against all the financial struggles that possibly you fought for anybody who has, against all the sacrifices you've made through the months, against that job that you possibly did not take, against that job that you did along with this exam, you have done so much. And somebody had to come here and tell you that you're doing a fantastic job, right? And anybody who tells you otherwise, ek exam hi to, tell them to shut up. Tell them to shut up, because they don't know how important or how big a deal it is to be sitting where you are sitting. You have the guts, you have the courage to do what most people do not do. And today, just before your exam, a few days before your exam, a day before your exam, a week before your exam, I want you all to remind yourselves of every moment that has led to this moment of your life, right? It may not have been an easiest journey, it may be an easy journey for some of you all, but यहाँ तक पहुँचने के लिए कुछ तो लगा है ना आपका. And please remind yourself of that journey. Please don't go in your exam hall with just panic and fear. वो तो रहेगा ही, you can't remove that, it's human nature. But with that panic and fear, also have that certain level of pride कि bro, तूने ये कर दिखाया, तू आज यहाँ खड़ा है, तू आज यहाँ खड़ी है एक ऐसे प्लेस पे जहाँ पे शायद बहुत लोग नहीं खड़े हैं. Take that moment to soak it in, because believe me, not everybody gets that chance. So please live it to the fullest. Remember, I always say this and I'm going to tell you all as well. Before you enter your exam hall, literally before all the frisking is done, all the checking is done, wait for 1 minute, close your eyes, have a conversation with yourself. That जो जब वर्ल्ड साइलेंट होता है ना, व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग टू योरसेल्फ इन द मोमेंट ऑफ अब पता है एग्जाम देने जाना है, अब पता है कुछ बड़ा होने जाना है, आप झूठ भी नहीं बोलोगे. जस्ट आस्क योरसेल्फ, डिड यू डू योर बेस्ट? द आंसर विल बी द मोस्ट ऑनेस्ट आंसर, येस और नो. मुंह से भी निकलने की जरूरत नहीं है, मन में आवाज़ आ जाएगी. If it's yes, acknowledge it and move ahead, saying, okay, I'm proud of you. Let's not get overconfident. Let's complete this last step as well. For people who say no, it's fine. Acknowledge it then. You did the best that you could have. नहीं भी दी आपके हिसाब से, तो अब जो है सो है. You still have to fight it, and you are fighting it. Those are the silent battles that I tell you. That level of acceptance, the thing to keep your mind calm. People who are giving their CFA level 1, especially for the first time, oh my god, it's a feeling I promise you are never gonna forget. मैं आज तक अपना first CFA level 1 exam नहीं भूली, मतलब CFA level 1 exam नहीं भूली first. It is such a beautiful experience, I cannot tell you. Okay, people who are giving their CFA level 2 exam, I know you know, so many things might be going on in your mind. सब कहते हैं सबसे difficult exam है, हम कैसे pass करेंगे, level 1 तो हो गया, will we feel the same thing again, will we get that joy again? You will. Just keep your mind calm. For people who are giving the CFA level 3 exam, I know how you're feeling, because it's like, bro, just one step away and I'm done. And you will be done in this attempt or in the next attempt or whenever, but you will be done, because God is behind all of y'all. The universe is behind all of y'all. Whatever is happening so that, you know, it conspires to the best thing that can happen for you all. And I hope you truly believe this, and just with this thought कि जो होगा अच्छे के लिए होगा. I know it's hard to believe, but just if you can, give your exam with that thought, do the final preps with that thought, and you will feel things shift, right? And remember, like I said, जो आपको बोले ना कि एग्जाम में तो है छोड़ना, tell them to shut up. ये वीडियो दिखा देना, मेरे भी व्यूज बढ़ जाएंगे, but tell them to shut up. I know what it has taken you to be where you are today, and I promise you I acknowledge it. And one day, I know, because I've been in that situation, you will also look back and you will actually smile and be like, damn, I did this, I stood through this, I stayed through this. होगा, मुझे पता है. Whether you pass, whether you fail, वो secondary बात है. The fact that you gave the exam, ये feeling आएगी, मेरी guarantee है. Thank me later when you feel it. बहुत साल बाद, जब 10 साल बाद एक दिन नींद से उठोगे ना, बोलोगे आई एम ग्लैड आई स्टेड थ्रू दिस. अरे तनुष्का ने भी ये कहा था, लेट्स गो एंड लाइक हर चैनल अगेन. बट गाइज, प्लीज बी काइंड ऑन योर सेल्फ, स्पेशली बिफोर योर एग्जाम्स. यू नो, be grateful to yourselves for living through some of the maybe tough days, but you still are on it, right? And lastly but not least, all the best to all of you all. I hope you get what is the best thing that can happen for you all. So many people who are giving their August CFA level 3 exam or level 2 exam are people who've been with me since their level 1 journey. I've seen so many of you all grow, so many of you all evolve, and it makes me so happy, not because of your success, but because of the transformations you've had. I remember I had one subscriber who in level 1 used to be so hyper, so panicky. He's giving his level 3 now, and that person is so much more calmer. He's understood, you know, कि I need to keep my mind balanced. उसका तब का comment और उसके अब के comment में day and night difference, and that's what makes me happy to see that growth. And all of y'all will feel that growth. I know it. I feel it in my bones. इसलिए मैं हमेशा हर एग्जाम के पहले ये वीडियो बनाती हूँ to remind all of y'all that you are doing something great. Whether or not you can feel it right now, whether or not you can see it right now, whether or not your results validate it, but you are doing something great. And I hope that the day you realize that, the day that calmness comes in instead of the chaos, would be sooner rather than later. Once again, all the best to each and every one of you all. May the best of the best vibes stay with you, and may the universe always do the best thing that it can for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.